Again, tied the game up with that swing to lead off the eighth.
This one out to the alley at left center field. Nobody's going to get this one. This one is gone. Second big fly of the ball game for Trumbo. And the Angels now trailing 8-6.
Just like that, Trumbo now 15 home runs, 40 RBI on the season. After being behind in the count, also 1-2. They're so strong. Baseball just jumping off his bat once again. Left center field, second home run of the game.